Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add or import our tables. So we're in CSVs. So we go to our first one, hit Control A to highlight everything, or just click this corner over here. Control C to copy, and then come back to the base. Control V to paste. Our name will call it customer table. Make sure definition and data is selected, and select use first line as column names. Click next. We're going to add all of them by clicking the second button. Click next. Now let's fix data type. So field name, okay. Field type, it's okay. I might call this customer ID. Customer ID. Entry required, yes. Length to value. Okay. Name, that's fine. Age, the field type should be a number. Decimal place is 0. That's fine. And city, that's fine. Create. Check no. Okay. Now, where is this tables? I'm gonna right click, edit, and just right click customer ID and turn that to a primary key. Okay. Now we go back into our CSV files. We'll go to the second one. Control A, Control C. Over here, Control V. We'll call this order table. Definition and data. Tick that. Next. Now order in, second button. Click next. Order ID, we'll just change that to yes. Customer ID, keep that as it is. Products, keep that as it is. Quantity, that should be a number. 0 decimal places. And price should also be a number. And also 2 decimal places. And create. Click no. Okay, now in order table, we'll just right click, edit, right click, primary key. Now, if we open them, you can see the data's there. And we'll check it again. Carter table. Data's there. That's it.